we came out here for the rain. Finally rained on us enough, so we thought we'd come out here. This is Tropical Storm Fred. And I'm going to try to get out for Tropical Storm Grace when it comes up here. And the creek over here to the left is extremely loud, so hopefully I'm using a new microphone here when the road video goes. So I'm hoping that the audio is a little more subdued but higher quality is what I'm going for. But we got some mini Coca-Colas right here, mini classics. And then we got ended up getting 4 steaks, but that's just because the price was the best for 4. They didn't have any good individual steaks. So I got this 4-pack. These are ribeyes. So we're gonna cook up a couple of those. We got some baked potatoes we're gonna have, and try to enjoy the rain. I might start a fire here if the rain lets up a little bit, but most of the wood around here is soaking wet. So, but that's what we're up to. So we'll check back with you when we start cooking. All right, so we got the pan set up on the single burner stove here, and should be heated up enough. I got a lantern running here in the background. The rain's kind of tapering off, but the creek's swelled up real big. So we're gonna go ahead and put these steaks on. Hopefully these ribeyes will be good. Should be good. I actually forgot my pan at home. Ended up buying another cast iron pan because I forgot my pan. I try to stay away from all the Teflon non-stick pans. I don't like what I read about them. They sound sketchy to me. So, but this is just a generic Lodge cast iron pan. Nothing special about it. But it was on sale, so I got it. But it's supposed to pick up raining, allegedly, depending on where you read. It's supposed to pick up raining again here in a little while, or it may not at all. So we're hoping it might rain a little bit harder for a little while. Been trying to get out in the rain for a long time now and haven't been able to. Yeah, those are still in frame. If you've seen the last video about the Willys truck, I'm hoping here in hopefully the next few weeks, I'll have it out here on its first maiden voyage going camping. At least that's my plan. So I should be able to get everything straightened away on it and then send it. Just go ahead and send it, as Larry the Enticer says. Just go ahead and send it. So I got my mother here with me. I finally got her to come out here with me, so she's not complaining too bitterly yet.
I'm scared of this tree.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a sketchy pine tree over here on the other side of the truck that y'all can't see. And if it fell, it'd probably only destroy the truck or maybe kill us both, so it could go either way. This pan's not been used enough to be seasoned since it's brand new, so it's got the factory pre-seasoning on it that does basically nothing. So we're getting these steaks sticking just a little bit, but that was to be expected. They smell good though. Hopefully you can hear that sizzle in action. Here's the finished product. And some nice ribeyes, some baked potatoes. And didn't take too long to cook. Took about probably 10 minutes to get everything. we already had these potatoes ready, so all we did was kind of warm them up a little bit. But anyway, we're hoping it'll pick up raining. We're gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'm gonna take you down to the creek and show you how swelled up the creek is after we get done eating. But anyway. All right, so now I'm gonna attempt to walk down this steep clay, red clay, slick bank here and show you all the river. So if I bust my ass, it might be amusing. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Hopefully you can hear me. The river's so loud. I'll try to talk loud enough for y'all to hear it. So here's the creek. Y'all have seen this creek before. I showed it to you in a couple videos back, but I ain't seen it like this where it's swelled up so big. I thought I'd show y'all again. I ain't never seen it this angry before. And it'll probably get worse as the day goes on, as more water comes down out of the mountains. There's that tree that's still across it there. Really nice spot here. This is dead end camp. That's what we call this one, since there's no way out except for the way in. But it's real pretty. You got this real steep mountain up here. It's quit raining at the moment, so I don't know if it's going to start back up again or not. There I go, trying to fall down. Try not to bust my booty. But this is the way up, this little narrow hog trail here. It's not too bad, but usually I'm not walking up and down it when it's raining and muddy. Somebody left a bunch of trash in the fire pit, so I'm going to try to clean that up before I leave. Always try to leave the camp better than when we found it. But it's really pretty out here. Give you all a different view here. Here's a different shot of the waterfall. There you go. There's the waterfall in a little bit better color, a little more close up. But you can see you got some hella whitewater action going on. Got this big twisted up tree right here. The tree's spiral twisted almost looking. Wow. We'll go over here a little bit. If I don't fall in the river. Get some more shots of it. I was sitting right here before, when the creek was at normal level. I was sitting right here when I was camping with my buddy Zach, because it was so nice, cool off. It was so hot, you just sat right there and the water run down your back. It was real nice. There you go, there's a little different angle. Really nice up here. Got a little cigar action going on. This one's called The Treat. I don't think I've ever had, but I think Barbara down at Maxwell's gave it to me. So there's a shout out to Barbara. Thanks for the cigars. But there's some more action on that mountain. But I'll take you back up here and show you the other stuff. And you keep going this way here, and it dead ends kind of into a swampy section down here. Yeah, not really a swampy section, more like a little creek runoff. So it's going down there. It's hitting the side of that creek, forming that waterfall. This is usually not this swelled up right here, but the trail just kind of keeps going up that way. I think people just hike it now. Got some real nice rock colors in here. Probably find some arrowheads up here after the creek goes back down. But it's a cool spot. We're exploring this whole new trail here, and there's water just running right down the trail. This has just been opened up because it's normally closed. Every time me and Brian come up here and camp, it's closed. But you got all this water runoff on the side of the mountain, running all down through here, straight through the rocks. I'm probably going to get some of this in my Life Straw bottle and drink some of it, because this is the best water you'll ever get. This mountain spring water. Whole new area that I ain't never seen before, so I'm pretty excited. I'm trying to find new camping spots while I got the chance. So, well, we got this waterfall over here. This trail, apparently we just ran into a guy who was up here hog hunting, and he said that it goes up another like 2 miles, this trail, and dead ends. So we went ahead and turned around coming back, but we saw this waterfall and this little creek crossing, so we thought we'd shoot it. It's starting to rain on us now, so we're gonna try to get on back before it gets too dark. Here's another waterfall right here that we just crossed, creek crossing. Real pretty waterfall. It's running right underneath the truck right now. There's a whole bunch of water and creeks and water crossings on this trail, so it's pretty neat.